Excuse me, your card got declined.
On what?
It got declined, your card.
Can you
But
do
can
it
I,
again?
you have another card probably? Maybe chip or something?
Cheap.
Your chip, the chip in the card.
The card I gave you, that's the right one.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll do it again. If it doesn't happen, you gotta
Okay.
pay cash or something, okay?
You sure it's declining?
Yeah.
That's my money?
Yeah. Look.
164.
Maybe no enough fun.
What I gotta do? I don't have. That's too much money.
You wanna maybe do the dishes or something?
You okay? Are you? That's too much money.
A lot of stuff, like 2 drinks, 2 lobster, like 30 oysters.
You sure? I can pay my bill. You're trying to say that I don't have the money for my bill. Wait, it's 164? Got you.
164. It's only 100.
If you wanted to be 100, that's only 80.
I mean, you got space in the kitchen to wash the dishes if you want.
I look like I wash dishes.
I'm just saying, you gotta pay the bill or something.
No, all right. So
Who
who is that? Roger, y'all see that? Look, let me show them the money I just gave you. Yeah, I just gave him this. 64, 20, 40, 80. What should I do?
Well, you gotta pay. Maybe check your bank account or something. I can take the chef if you want to make some dishes. We need people in the kitchen. Just for an hour.
I can hold you with 20. It may be if you. All right. You right. You got it. You can handle it. You got it.